Hi there guys, welcome to the first drive review of the Tata Punch 2026 model. This is the iTurbo variant, 120 horsepower, 170 Newton meters torque, 6-speed manual, and here's the key to happiness. Now, price starts from 5.59 lakhs ex-showroom, and the base variant comes loaded with all the safety features. Here, let's see whether the wireless charging works. Yeah, it is working. And we are here on a virtually empty stretch. So can't wait to unleash the iTurbo the way it needs to be. Get a glimpse of what kind of adrenaline pumping powertrain this one has on offer. So let's go this way. Oh, it throws you back in the seat. You got a glimpse of this in the woo. The gearbox, I don't know, they could have done a much better job with hitting triple digit speeds within no time. Let's open the flap, and the windscreen is far more easily visible. Very good stability. Oh wow, incredibly awesome. Superb. The brakes are right on point. Let's just turn around here. It's a beautiful morning here in Pune. We've done the off-roading part yesterday, so please do watch that. Extremely challenging for such a beautiful, cute-looking subcompact SUV, but this one is cute looking on the outside, but it's an absolute monster on the inside. The way it tackled the off-road course, it is meant for 4x4 vehicles, and this one just took it on like a piece of cake and a walk in the park. So you'll be surprised and amazed at the off-road capabilities of the Punch, this being a front-wheel drive vehicle. And the chassis orientation and the suspension is so damn good on this one. We saw a glimpse of the acceleration. You don't want to take too many chances. It is good. The gearbox could have been slightly better. The clutch travel could have been slightly shorter. It is a little farther away. The steering is brilliantly done. I love the steering calibration here. And the seats are far more comfortable now. I can feel the comfort. I can feel the added cushioning, better under thigh support. Everything is well sorted. You have great all-round cabin visibility, large window areas, and so that does it all for you. And then, of course, the blind view monitor. I love this feature. It is such a lifesaver. You don't know who's coming in the blind spot, so this one does the job for you. Another thing is the 360-degree camera. So once you're below 10 kilometers per hour, let's set the 360-degree camera here. So we are doing around below 15 kilometers per hour. 3D view is there. In bumper to bumper traffic, I would suggest keep your eyes on the road, but at least you will get a glimpse if someone is getting too close to you, your beloved vehicle. So that's a crystal clear display. It is so rich, crisp, vivid, and they've utilized the full real estate of the screen. 10-inch screen, very intuitive display, different camera angles to choose from, and that's what makes the Punch an absolute value proposition. Because 6 airbags are standard. You have ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, and Isofix child seats, and most of the safety features are included as standard. So that's the best part. And once you go past 15 kilometers per hour, it vanishes away, such that it is not distractive. Okay, the seat cushioning, as I told you, is really good. Steering calibration is on point. Really satisfying morning drive here in Pune. And please do watch my walk around, talking about all the interior and exterior specs, running you through as to how well built it is. Command Max is the punchline. So Command Max safety, because it comes with almost all the safety features as standard right from the base variant, which talks about their emphasis on safety and going the extra mile in trying to offer the best safety for their beloved customers. Like 5-star safety rating Bharat NCAP, then 6 airbags as standard, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, ISOFIX child seats, yes, hill hold assist as well. So talking about quickly giving you an overview of the new 2026 Tata Punch, looks absolutely stunning, gets revised styling with the DRLs, the front fascia is slightly facelifted. You have this new front bumper design, and believe me, you have to look at the accessories. The accessories really accentuate and elevate the visual appeal of this car to a different level altogether. You have LED lamps with LED fog lamps. You have good improved approach angle as well as departure angle for better off-road capabilities, and the off-road capability of this little beast will take you by surprise, and that's a guarantee from my side. 16-inch wheels, disc brakes on the front, and beautifully laid out alloy wheels, door mounted pillar mounted door handles, roof rails, shark fin antenna, black and B pillar, body colored door handles, flared wheel arches, and I'm a little closer here. Yeah, flared wheel arches and body cladding all around. Good amount of ground clearance, I think around 195 mm. Here is the cabin, beautifully laid out cabin. You have ivory finish. You have this 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have that 7-inch speedo console as well. The flat bottom steering wheel. The seats are better cushioned now. Better under thigh support for increased comfort. You have this 65-watt fast charging right over here and wireless charging. This is the manual variant. Adequate amount of legroom as well as headroom. You have dedicated aircon vents, sunroof as well, 2 headrests for the second row, and so you can see the end-to-end LED is far more apparent and adds a new age contemporary feel to the Tata Punch. Looks absolutely stunning in this blue color, one of my favorite color schemes. iTurbo badging right over here, Punch badging right over here, and then of course integrated spoiler right over here, and parking sensors, revised rear bumper, and better departure angle. So that's another thing you need to note. So all of this for a starting price point of just 5.59 lakhs ex-showroom, which makes it an absolute Command Max value proposition. So another glimpse of acceleration, let's see. Wow. The second gear acceleration is really phenomenal. As I told you, triple digit speeds in no time and great high speed stability. That will surprise you. And good approach angle and departure angle. I would say there were a lot of off-road patches that we had to clear to come to this particular spot, and again that was testament in and of itself as to how well built this thing is and how capable it is when it comes to tackling off-road patches if it has to do that all of a sudden. Well, that's pretty much it. Music is right on point always. You have a beautiful ivory finish to the this thing dash. You have one dummy vent right over here. These are the vents. They cool the cabin really effectively and pretty quickly. You have this glazed finish here, again adding onto the premium feel. All tactile buttons for the fan speed and the temperature control. Wireless charging, 65 watt type C charging socket right over there to fast charge your smartphones. The gear stick has a good chunky feel to it, but I would have preferred a short throw gearbox to feel the grunt and feel the energy or the adrenaline packed into this powertrain. So iTurbo is really satisfying, but it could have been better with the gear shifts being, the gearbox being slightly better configured. But apart from that, everything, as I told you, all-round cabin visibility is great. The 360-degree camera does its job. The music system is amazing for the audiophiles like me, and steering calibration is right on point. So everything is just brilliant. I would say the Command Max performance, Command Max safety, Command Max value, Command Max convenience, and Command Max tech, because you have the connected car features here as well. So everything works flawlessly: wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Then, yeah, if you want to get into the actual, you have climate control, you have quick settings, Android Auto, and Tata Assist. So I think that wraps up the drive impression of the iTurbo Tata Punch, which really packs a punch in terms of on-road capability and off-road joy.